just found like the craziest thing ever. So I was at this pond here, and I started hearing like water flowing. And obviously this is a pond, this isn't like a river or anything. And so following, I don't think y'all can hear it, but like I just started following where I heard it. And I'm pretty sure that there is a spillway over here. I think there's a spillway. So I'm gonna go look at it, maybe fish it. Oh goodness. I was right. Okay, so, oh my goodness. Okay. So, yeah, there's a huge spillway from the pond that spills all the way over here into like this waterfall thing. Wow. Okay, I'm definitely fishing this. That is a fat bet. Alright. It's pretty loud here. I don't know how good this is going to be of the mic quality, but we're going to try it. Okay, so I'm just going to fish this. First, okay, so there's some sticks and debris in here, so I don't know. I don't know how good this is going to be. Okay, so I'm using a crankbait. I thought that would be the best. A little jerk bait. And I didn't really have any creek fishing stuff. So I'm just throwing this little jerk bait because that's really all I have. Wow, this spillway is crazy. I mean, even if I don't catch a fish here, like I'm definitely coming back and doing a video on this because this is crazy. Use stuff like this. Comment down below what baits I should be using for this. I can definitely feel stuff under here. And this like spillway runs for like a long time way back there, so. I actually don't know if there's any fish in here. Here's the thing about spillways, like, you really don't know if there's fish in these. This is a huge pool and there's like so much running water. I might switch baits up here soon. I just don't know if there's... Ooh, got a fish, got a fish, got a fish, caught a fish, got a fish, got a fish. Nice one, got him, got him, got a fish, got a fish. Got. Okay, so I got this bass. Alright, I'm just gonna take this hook out of you there, buddy. And look, he's got a mouth of that lure. Alright, so I got this bass. Pretty nice. Here's the bass. I'm about to release him. Man, this bass is freezing cold. I'm gonna put him back in this spillway. Here he goes. There he is. There he goes. Oh my gosh. Whew. Yes. That was so cool. Out of this little spillway, there was a bass. Munched it on the jerkbait. That was so sick. Alright. I'm gonna go back out there, try to catch another one. That was so sick. So sick. Alright. Perfectly fine. I was able to get the fish hook out just in time for him to be fine. I know. Oh my gosh. I hope that was all good footage. I hope like when I get home that all that was such good footage. A good Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh. I keep getting hooked up in this, like, log right next to me. This basically comes shooting back at me like at 100 miles. You know what? You know what? You know what? I'm just gonna move. Oh gosh. I'm just gonna move this log. Yeah, baby. Yeah, now we're using the old noggin. Now we're using the old melon. And now, wow. Okay, that was good. Now I can get my bait that was stuck on here. Okay. Wow.